Good morning, everyone. Back with another episode of Stuff and Things, coming at you from this place here that you see on the bottom of the screen. We're in a national forest. Got in last night after that pretty rough day. You can watch that video at the link right up there in the corner. And I slept pretty well last night in the van. I passed out like immediately.
I did too.
Wasn't cold.
Nope.
Didn't have any bears trying to sneak in through the window that's busted out. I guess I can give you a better look at that stuff right now. Looks like we ended up getting, I don't know, about 5 or 6 inches of snow last night.
Yeah.
And it is beautiful up here, that's for sure. I guess I could probably tape this up a little bit better now, but there is no window on the back of the van anymore. Think I should tape it up more? I think I should.
Yeah.
We're gonna start fresh with a whole new trash bag, because this one was flopping around last night. This wasn't sticking because it was pouring down rain when I put it up initially. I just wanted to get something on there though. That's a little better than before. Not windy, it's not raining.
Good little seal.
My level of frustration is far under what it was yesterday. I had to do that in the rain. Well, the bad luck is just following me at this point. What is it?
Not me.
Every time you're with, though.
I have nothing to do with this.
You're right. It's not your fault. Oh, but damn. Okay, so we're driving out of the national forest. Right now we're actually in a town called Leavenworth, and we're gonna hang out here for the rest of the day. It's really cool. I don't drink beer, but they have some good food. And what is it? It's like
It's a Bavarian town.
It's a Bavarian town, so it looks like we're in like some German town up in the mountains. It's really cool. But what you just saw there was the drone, the Mavic 2 Pro. That's what I've been doing most of my drone shots with since I bought it in Colorado. And I was following us through the trees there, and it used its obstacle avoidance, and it just sort of like hit the brakes and then wandered off to the right and landed in the tree, got stuck. I tried to recover it and kind of fly it out, and it just flipped and whatever. My fault. What I ended up doing was climbing about 50 feet up into a pine tree, and I first stood on top of the branch and I was trying to shake it out. That didn't help. So I got my handy dandy Essie Junglus, however you say it. So I went up there and I was able to sort of break the branch off that it was hanging from, push it off to the side. The drone flipped out and it landed in about like a foot of fresh snow. Landed camera down. Gimbal looks fine. Right now I'm just letting it dry off completely. That way we don't have any electric issues with the drone. But man, just one thing after another. What can we do for the rest of the day that has no risk? Not gonna fly the drone.
We're gonna window shop.
We'll walk around, window shop.
Drink some beer.
Gonna park the van very far away from all other vehicles and people. We're currently in a Safeway parking lot. I just took a shower. Ashley went in and grabbed some groceries. We're gonna do some cooking over the fire later tonight. And I think we're gonna go back up to the same spot that you just saw us at this morning. I guess we should go drive into the town, find a spot to park, and go check it out. We made it into downtown Leavenworth, and this place is pretty cool. I think we'll probably hang out here until the sun goes down because everything is lit up like a little Christmas village. The food looks bomb. Still waiting on mine. I got a root and branch, which is some kind of whiskey and root beer schnapps and bitters. That smells good. I don't know. See if you make that face.
Bro, I'll see you later.
Yeah. We might just leave the van where it's parked tonight and get lit here.
We've slept in a Safeway parking lot before.
We have. How'd that go?
Solid. Dude.
One of us is intoxicated. I'll let you take a guess at who it is.
Look like him. Why does he look like that though? Like what is he catching? You have a freaking shirt with like, I don't even know what on it. Well, let me get the dinosaur shirt in California. It's a Yeti. These look really good. Why are you watching me window shop right now? Convenient carabiner for on-the-go care. You have to get me out of here. You are not recording right now. I hate you.
$5.
I'm for sure going in here. I've been staring at it all day. Look, it matches my mask. Are you ready? Yeah, these are it. For sure. What's up, buddy? That's how you drink wine, right? Oh, no, no, no.
Good morning. How you doing?
Doing well. How are you?
Seems like you're avoiding the camera.
I would never do that.
No, it seems like that's what you're doing right now.
I would never do that. Hello.
So we are up and at it once again. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm working on some videos because for us right now it is Sunday, November 15th. I need to get tomorrow's video uploaded. I've been behind. Then I got 2 more videos to edit. We got to drive to Spokane today. We didn't eat anything other than lunch yesterday at about 2 o'clock. We didn't eat anything actually when we got back.
Which explains why I feel like death.
Yeah, might have been the chugging a glass of wine.
I didn't chug it. I classily sipped it with my pinky up.
No, that's not what happened. So we're about to have a big old meal. I need to clean all this stuff up. I'm gonna start the meal with Cinnamon Toast Crunch, which is kind of like dessert, but I'm hungry right now, and I gotta wait for you to shower.
Okay.
And there we have it. This was the first time cooking a full-blown breakfast in the Sat Van with side, bacon. We're just missing like orange juice.
Yeah, should have orange juice.
Chocolate. So this is where we're gonna end the video for today. Got to drive about 2.5 hours to Spokane. Get my window fixed tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. And then we'll be all back to normal. These are pretty good. Instant hash browns, you just throw boiling water in and then fry them up. So if you're new to the channel, consider clicking subscribe. I make new videos every single week. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.